Hi friends, welcome to my channel Cook with Nisha Manoj. Today's recipe is vegetable pulao with raita. Easy to cook, tasty to eat. Let's see the ingredients required to prepare this yummy pulao. I have taken 2 cups of Tiger Sona Masuri rice. I did not soak this rice, just washed 4 times with clean water. 1 cup soaked green peas. I have taken dry green peas. You can also take frozen peas. 10 to 50 number of fine chopped beans. 2 finely chopped carrot. 2 medium size sliced onion. 2 green chilli. Soaked and squeezed soya beans. Try to squeeze out water as much as you can. Finely chopped coriander leaves to decorate. Oil to cook. Now we can look at the spices required. 2 spoon red chilli powder, half spoon turmeric powder, 2 spoon Aruna garam masala. Any garam masala you can use, but I recommend Aruna garam masala. It gives nice flavor to pulao. 2 spoon kasuri methi, 1 big spoon ghee, 1 bay leaf and salt to taste. Now it is cooking time. Keep pressure cooker to heat. Now it is hot. I am adding all the ingredients one by one. Put 5 to 6 spoon of cooking oil. Add bay leaf. Pieces of green chilli. And sliced onion. Fry the onion till it turns into transparent. Now add squeezed soya, soaked green peas, chopped beans, and carrot. Fry all the vegetables. Here I have added soya bean. Soya bean has many benefits. It is rich in fiber, rich in protein, less cholesterol. It also a good source of omega-3 fatty acids. It is very useful for ladies. Now add washed rice. And fry it for a while. Add 4 cups of water to it because I have taken 2 cups of rice. Just double of the rice measurement. Now add rest of the spices, that is half spoon turmeric, two spoon red chili powder, if you like spicy food, you can add little more. Three spoon garam masala, mix it properly. Now add salt to it depending on your taste. Add 1 spoon of ghee. Just put like this. No need to mix. Now kasuri methi, just crush it with your palm and add to the cooker. Now close the lid of the cooker. And wait for 2 whistles. It is done. I am going to open the lid. See friends, our yummy veg pulao is ready to serve. It is really yummy. I am serving this pulao with special raita. We will see how to prepare raita. Take 6 to 8 spoon of chilled curd. Add finely chopped apple, cucumber and grated carrot. Chaat masala and salt to taste. Mix with spoon. Sprinkle some coriander leaves. Grated carrot, apple and cucumber. Our special raita is ready to serve. I am transferring pulao to the serving bowl. Decorating with chopped coriander leaves and serving with raita. Of course friends, this is Nisha Manu special veg pulao. You can try this recipe as a main course for dinner or lunch. Hope you will like this recipe. Comment your opinion, like and share my channel. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notification of my new videos. Keep watching and encouraging. Thank you.